If the prices of body oils in the market are just way too expensive for you, or you simply just want to learn how to make your own body oil at home so you're sure of what is coming in contact with your skin, then this video is for you. I'll be sharing with you how to make this very simple and easy body oil that will brighten and glow your skin in a way you will love. So keep watching this video. I know you told your friend you're not okay. To make our body oil, we're firstly going to be needing a carrier oil. For this, I am using olive oil, but you can use any other carrier oil that your skin loves, or a combination of carrier oils. This is the very first oil I'm going to be using, and right now what I'm going to do is transfer this oil into the bowl in which I'll be making the entire body oil. At the end of this video, I'm going to be dropping the full list of the ingredients and their measurements, so make sure you watch this video till the end so that you can get that. Now, I'm not just going to be using one oil, I'm going to be combining two carrier oils, and the second carrier oil I'm using is coconut oil. I'm using coconut oil because it's relatively cheap, it's affordable, and anyone can get access to it. So this is the second oil that I'm going to be using, and just like that I'm going to add the coconut oil into the olive oil. These are the only two oils I'll be using, but for yours you can choose to use more than one carrier oil or more than two carrier oils. You can use up to 5 carrier oils if that's what you want. So right now, after adding in my coconut oil, I'm just going to give this a good mix to ensure that my olive oil and my coconut oil are well combined. I'm going to mix this very well. Once that is done, I'm going to move over to adding our other ingredients. And the first ingredient I'm adding in is my dried rosemary. Rosemary is a really great herb for the skin. It has unbelievable benefits for your skin. It has anti-aging benefits, so it will help firm. It can help get rid of wrinkles and fine lines. It can also help reduce inflammations, and such it can help with your acne, and it can also help tighten your pores. So I'm going to add the rosemary into our oil, and then we're going to move over to the next ingredient. The next herb I'm going to be using is turmeric. As you know, turmeric has lots and lots of benefits for the skin. Turmeric has anti-aging benefits. It can help brighten your hyperpigmentation and fade scars. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, so it can help to reduce irritation. But for this particular product, we really want the brightening effect of the turmeric. I'm just going to add the turmeric powder into our oils and rosemary, and now we are going to give this a very good mix. I'm going to ensure that everything is well incorporated together, and then after that I'm going to tell you what next you're going to be doing. Once everything is well combined like this, we're going to go ahead and infuse the oils using the double boiling method. So basically we're going to stand our bowl in a pot of boiling water, and here it is. I'm just going to put this in the pot of boiling water, and I'm going to keep stirring it. What we're trying to do is get the benefits of the turmeric and the rosemary into the oils. So I'm just going to stir consistently as this is going on. This should take about 20 minutes to be completely done. So I'm just going to keep stirring while the water is heating up and our oil is getting infused. Once you're sure that the oil is well infused, you're just going to take this off the heat and leave it to cool before we go to the next step. Now the next step is to make sure that we strain the oil very well. So I'm going to be using a cheesecloth for this. I tripled it so that we can strain the oil perfectly. I'm just going to go ahead and pour the already cooled oil into the cheesecloth so we can get rid of the turmeric powder and the rosemary. So we're just going to strain it. After straining the oil the first time, this is what it's looking like. Our oil is so beautiful, but there are still some particles of the turmeric inside the oil. So I'm just going to go ahead and strain this for a second time so that we can completely get rid of the turmeric powder. We want a very clear and beautiful oil. So I'm just going to take my cheesecloth again and strain the oil for the second time so we can have a very pure body oil. After straining for the second time, if yours is still not okay, then you can strain a third time until you get rid of everything. And this is what my oil is looking like after straining. I'm just going to go ahead and add in my lavender essential oil and my vitamin E oil. These two are the fragrance and the antioxidant. So I'm just going to give this a very good mix so that everything is well combined, and after that you see that our oil is ready. Right now I'm just going to go ahead and transfer my body oil into my bottle while I go ahead and tell you some of the goodness and benefits of this body oil. This body oil can help to brighten the skin and fade hyperpigmentation. It will help glow the skin. It will add some shine to the skin. It has anti-aging benefits, so it can help if you have saggy skin or wrinkles. And it also contains two strong herbs, so definitely the benefits of these body oils are endless. Now, after packing my oil into my jar, this is what it is looking like. As you can see, the oil is so good. It is so beautiful. Now I'm just going to go ahead and apply this on the skin so you can see how good it looks on the skin. It doesn't just look good, it also feels so good on the skin. Trust me, you will enjoy using this oil. You will not be able to get tired of this oil. If you watched this video till this point, that means you enjoyed it and you found it helpful. So before you go, please make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment, share this video to your friends and loved ones so you can glow together. Also subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and make sure you come back to my channel for more amazing content like this. Goodbye and see you in my next video.